I am an avid sportsman. I play golf. I probably walk 18 holes 3 times a week. Road bike, I mountain bike. I do CrossFit 3 days a week. And most important thing, I ski. And I ski as much as possible. I got a knee replacement because I was in chronic pain and I thought my athletic life was over. Now I think I'm a better athlete than I've ever been. I am in absolutely no pain, and all I can thank for that is Conformis. And it has been an incredible experience. I mean, my life has been completely changed by what Conformis and Dr. Brian Huber, who was my surgeon up in Copley Hospital, big shout out to them. Dr. Huber is awesome, Copley Hospital, great. But what Conformis and they did for me changed my life. Seeing the Conformis tour and seeing what goes into a custom knee was fascinating. I mean, I've always felt that part of why my rehab went as great as it did is because of a custom knee. Now I ski better than I ever did. Most of my sports I do better than I ever did. And it's all because of the people at Conformis. So we saw all the CAD design work. We saw all the manufacturing. The 3D printing was just phenomenal, how they basically are making molds of your knee. All of a sudden I turn around and there's a table with like 10 molds and knees, and all of a sudden they presented me with my knee. That's my knee. I mean, it is unbelievable. It's got a serial number, it's got my name on it, and this is an exact replica of what is in my body. So it's actually sitting on my bone. I mean, as you can see here, I'm going to take it off, and you can see that you've got holes, you've got cuts, and all this is basically with CAD design in the Conformis factory. This is my knee, and it has changed my life. And thank you, Conformis. Thank you, Dr. Huber. I got my athletic life back again, and I can't thank you all enough.